Welcome students to Element 7.0 Lesson 3. In this lesson we will be combining two photos into one, making a collage so to speak. We'll be cutting and pasting the Blue Angel jet into West Bay of Traverse City, Michigan. The first thing you want to do is make sure the pictures are roughly the same size. If the jet was 10 times the size of the bay, it wouldn't work. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy and paste the jet into the West Bay. Alright? And I do that pretty easily by selecting this jet. Okay? Selecting can be done a number of different ways. I can use the hand lasso tool to go in and just drag a selection around it and copy and paste it. If that was the case, I'd have this blob. I would edit copy and then go to this particular picture and do edit paste, and here's this blob of a Blue Angel. That doesn't work, so I'm going to undo it. Let me just show you the best way to select this jet, and it's very easy because it's on a solid color background. So I'm going to deselect those marching ants. Use your instincts. It's a selection. Deselect. And now using the magic wand tool, hover over it. It's about 6 or 7 down. I one-click on a solid color to select. Since I have a solid color background, I can select that, and if I copied and pasted right now, the sky would go over. Well, we just want to do the inverse. We want to invert that selection, so I can select the jet. Select inverse right there. Notice how the jet is now selected, and it's a simple copy and paste, and I'm done. Edit, copy the jet. Use your instincts, go to the bay, edit, paste. If I use my move tool, the top one, it puts a bounding box around it, and I can actually go right to the corner and rotate it or resize it. It's very important, students, that you either hit enter on the keyboard or click this green check mark after you resize something. To duplicate that jet and make a couple more of them, all I need to do is take a gander over at my layers palette, in which I can see my jet, and to duplicate that layer, you see I can turn that eyeball on and off just to visually hide it. Still there. Just hold your mouse down and drag up and to the left on that, over that little box, and it creates a second layer. It's right on top of the first layer, so I can't see it in the document. They're right on top of each other, but of course if I use the move tool, I can move it off of the original plane and resize it so it looks like it's in the background, and of course hit the check mark.